Hi guys, it's your boy back with another video. Today we're going to be reviewing this clear slime with my cousin Aubrey. Hi. So it's not really clear today because I just made it today because what is it? I just made it today and you need to wait 2 days to mix it clear. So I'll review it today. It's not really sticky.
Yeah. Can I try?
Don't get it on the boot.
Okay.
Take it off my hand.
Sticky. Yeah, take it off. I know, it's making my hands dirty.
So this is the slime. By the way, if you are on my YouTube channel, you might have seen me make another slime video.
I know Naomi's getting in the video.
But this is my other slime I made today.
And it's a little bit clear. Right, John?
Yeah, but like when you open it, it goes clear. Well, kind of.
And really, really sticky.
Not sticky.
No, not that sticky.
So, look, it's very cool.
So 2 days to wait. Then when you're done doing the videos. Bye. Bye, guys. That's where I can say it again now. Is that in the video yet?
Sorry about that noise in the back. So it's pretty crunchy. It's pretty crunchy.
Yep, pretty crunchy.
It's light. It's coming out, and hey, you probably won't be able to see slime. Yep. So don't forget to subscribe and put your notifications on so you never miss a video. So peace.